Good afternoon, Cyber Warriors. Alright, we getting ready to kick this off here. It said that I'm getting ready to expire, but it's okay. I just started over. We're going to be kicking off with Advent of Cyber 2024. Alright, this is going to be a pretty easy walkthrough. You just follow the steps along with it, and we're going to get through day one. Alright, you ready? Let's go. I might be talking a little fast because this is my first time recording myself, so be aware. Alright, so let's kick it off with first making sure we can connect to the machine. Uh, Normally you can do an attack machine, but I like to work on my own machine. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna do this right here. We're gonna make sure we have our file for OpenVPN. We'll clear this out and we're gonna start an OpenVPN and connect here in a second. All right, good to go. All right. Now let's ping to see if our machine is up and running. What is our machine? Let's make sure. Yep, that's the machine. I accidentally closed out the window here, guys. And we have a connection. All right, good. So we're gonna start off by first visiting the address, see what we got here. That's not it. 10.10. 13.112. So everyone's IP address is going to be a little bit different. It just depends on when you log on. So this is the IP address for the website. I think we're going to start off by trying to convert a YouTube video into an MP3 file. You can use any YouTube video, but they do provide a link. So let's start with just using the link. We're going to copy it over and press convert to MP3. Hopefully this doesn't take forever. All right, it's downloading now. So we'll download it and then we'll see what we have. We're going to extract it. It's multiple ways you can do it. But just because I like to be hands-on, I like to stick with, working through the command line. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do here. Obviously, you can go to your folder, you can go to the files and extract, but, that's no fun, right? So let's just CD to our downloads folder, clear this out, and let's unzip the download. All right, we got two files. Let's see what these files are. Let's start with the actual one first, see what they have here, and then we'll check out the other to see what they have there. All right. So we can see right here, this is an executable file for Windows PowerShell. All right, let's try to get a little bit more details. And the main goal is to start answering these questions so we can get through day one, right? So, first question is, let's see, who's the author of the song? And we're gonna figure that out by doing this here. Let's clear this out. We're gonna do, and it tells you right here. I mean, if you didn't already know this tool, if you have Kali Linux in the most updated version, you don't have to download this. It's already on here. Or if you're using the file that comes with it, the attack machine that's on TryHackMe, then you'll be pretty much good to go. All right. So you see right here, after you do exif tool for the song, you can see pretty much all the metadata. Right. So all of this is metadata, when it was made, original media, and then here's the author here. I always have curse, but I always have a hard time doing this copy and pasting, man. But we're gonna make it work. All right, this is the first question. If we can get it to paste, we'll be good to go. Submit correct answer. All right. So the malicious PowerShell script sends a stolen info to the C2 server. What is the URL to the C2 server? All right. So we need to go back and use. We're gonna use exif tool again, but this time we want to use it for the one that's misspelled because that's gonna be the malicious payload right there. Right. So it gives us this URL. Let's copy this link address and then let's head on over to see what the address takes us. All right, so it gives us a malicious script. Seems like this script is built to steal cryptocurrency. So this would have been, a bad day if you was actually to download this. Let's see. If you check the script, it gives you the function to send to the C2 server, and this is the URL for that server right here. So we just want to copy and paste that, and that will give us the answer we're looking for. Ugh, copy. As you see, it was created by somebody named Eminem. I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up having to find out who that is, but we'll get to that here shortly. My machine didn't close, but it's okay. I have it running elsewhere. Hopefully this doesn't time me out. Now I'm stuck, so it's all good. No need for me to subscribe because I already updated it for an hour. Yep, see? We're still running. It's okay. Let's get back to it. Let's see. Eventually, you get to the point where this stuff becomes second nature. You don't really have to look at the rules. Normally, I don't. I just try to like go through it, see what I can find on my own. See right here, it says who is Eminem. Maybe his GitHub profile page would provide clues. So if you started from the beginning and you read the background story, you kind of already know who Eminem is. But just for the sake of doing this, let's go check out the GitHub that they gave us to search up who Eminem is, right? So they provided a link to go directly to it. So we're just gonna open this link in a new tab and see where it takes us. Which is to the issue log. And you can see right here it says right host created by the one and only Eminem. And remember we saw that here, right here in this script, right? So we're gonna click on this and we're gonna find out who is this Eminem guy. Right? So looking at the conversation, we kind of see this Eminem Wareville THM. This doesn't really tell us much, but we do see he has two repos. So let's check out his repo. This is a README file, and look right here. Mayor Malware is Eminem. Hi, I'm Eminem, also known as Mayor Malware. Let's copy that and get back on over to our questions. Who is Eminem? And boom, we found it, guys. See, this is an easy one. They're starting off day one. They don't really want to trip you up too much. It's not too hard to find. What's the number of commits on the GitHub repo where the issue was raised? So again, we're still working in here. Let's just go back a page and we want to check this file right here. Let's see, cause see, this is the file I believe. If we this is the file he used to create the malicious script, right? So we look right here and you can tell like, all right, let's just go to it, get some information from it. We'll go back one more time just to make sure we're on the right one. And then look, it'll tell you right here. See, he's only did one commit so far, and it was 2 months ago. So we're working with this file. There's only been one commit. So we'll go back here. Answer is number one. See, this was a pretty quick video. This one wasn't too hard. We kind of just flew through it, right? If you enjoy this test, feel free to check out OPSEC room and what we all this GitHub repos. Could they hide something else? All right. So this one's all done and complete. Like, subscribe, share with a friend. Got any questions? Feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.